everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem GrubHub gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in www.grubhub.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your GrubHub account by clicking on the sign in button at the upper right hand corner and type in your credentials, that is your email address followed by your password associated with your GrubHub account. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on the drop down right next to your name at the top right hand corner and then click on the gift card button. Here you can select an option that says redeem a gift card. If you want to purchase a gift card, you can click on buy a gift card here and follow the on-screen prompts. In today's video, since we are redeeming a gift card, let's click on this next option that says redeem a gift card. Now simply go ahead and scratch off the metallic strip located at the back of your gift card and your gift code number will be visible. Type in your 7-digit long gift card number and then tap on add to my account button. This will help you add a new gift card on your account. Now the balance that is available on your gift card will be added on your account. You can now simply go ahead and make an online purchase from GrubHub and redeem your gift card during the checkout process. That is how you can easily redeem GrubHub gift card online with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.